Hi, welcome to my channel about fischertechnik, robotics and embedded systems. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. This video is focused on my driving robot discovery based on the TXT controller from fischertechnik. That means that the whole robot is of fischertechnik, powered by two battery packs which can be independently switched on and off. And it is equipped with two front sensors, here and here, active sonar and USB camera for grabbing images using OpenCV. Also a propeller to indicate whether the algorithm is still running, and the algorithm is for this project written in Python using the F2RoboPy API or driver or library. Last time the conclusion was made that it didn't drive very well because the velocity was too low, and the velocity was too low because of the weight of the two battery packs. With one battery pack it would drive, but the battery packs are not very lightweight compared to the other parts, so I needed to increase the starting speed. So now I want to continue with that and see if I, with increased speed, can have the robot driving to these objects again. So in order to show that, I'm changing to screencast. So screencast with two terminals. These two are actually showing the interface on the TXT controller, source code, and when I run it, screen output. Then RoboPro for testing, and this one is for one battery, that one is for the other, and it shows that I7 is connected and I5 is not connected, which is exactly the correct position. If I turn the camera a bit, you can see that this one is halfway set, so not connected. This one is set to the left, to the right I mean, which means it is connected. So that setting is quite correct. Then I have to close it, otherwise Python won't run. And let's look here for speed. And notice that to 512, which was a lower speed first. So let's now see what the difference may be, or should be. And last time I only saw jolts of movement, and yes, no, that is not correct, not correct at all. The propeller was running, but this is supposed to be another password and not the speed, so little mistake on my side. Anyway, let's run again. This I don't want to see. That's much better. Yeah. Now it is copying grabbed images to the laptop, but instead it should drive, which is obviously not happening. So one more try. No, okay, never mind. I have to change the speed again, because I don't even see movement joules. Another thing that I just think of is what is the distance, and that turns out to be slightly less than 66, so let me put it to 70. That means that the robot should be put at, let's say, this position. And let's see, okay, 55 to 6, that is all right. Yes, so here the speed should be set to anything. Let's go further back in time, or in algorithm anyway. Yes. Motor set speed is 600, and this is the very first speed setting. So I need, wait a minute, where is it? Okay, 400 right here. I need to put this at 600. Apparently 400 isn't enough. No. Okay. Try again. Takes some time for the camera, unfortunately. Network error, of course. This goes better. I just hope it starts to run at one time. But I have an idea that that is not going to happen, because otherwise it would have been running by now. Okay, so much for this attempt. I need to adjust all speeds and see even higher than 600 and see that that is working. Right, so now I have checked all speeds. Some I have left at a low speed because there's a small distance condition for say 20 or less than 20 centimeters to the object, which is right here. So you should not drive at a high speed there. The starting speed I have increased from 400 to 600. So now let's see how everything works out. Speed check, or more appropriate battery check, 8.7 volts, which is alright, I hope, but this is still a mystery. A closed data file, I don't close it, maybe I should in some time, but anyway, let's run. And maybe I should also check on this one. Right. And it looks like that the speed is not high enough again. it's not even jolting, which is quite worrying, because then what is the right speed? 600 is quite a speed already. Okay, let me take off one battery pack and see whatever happens. And in the meantime, let me just say TXT image 11/13/30. Am I right? 13/32/45 0. 13. As if it doesn't know this, and it indeed does not. So 45 hasn't been copied. That one is this image. So okay, 11, 17, 30, then 32, 31, and that's the blackened image, which is not entirely as I would hope. This red is gone, this entirely red is gone, and here it's more or less okay, but this part and this part is gone. Not quite as way as I'd hoped. Okay, back to speed. I'm going to take away a battery pack. Okay, 8.6 should be good. Alright, one battery pack is taken away. Now let's see whatever happens this time. Because so far I'm not impressed and disappointed. And alright, all kinds of errors also. This looks better. This is just copying images, but I need the speed. I need to see movement. And that's not happening. Okay, I'm going to move it by hand then, right here. And you see that the algorithm is still running. And still nothing happening. Not in the movement anyway. They're 63, alright. Okay. Right here then. $59. Now something should definitely happen. But will it? It's not driving at all. Okay, helping again. moving it by hand then again. This takes away all the fun of a driving robot. 45. That's definitely okay. Let's go here for a bit. So condition is between 25 and 30. This condition is 1335. The next condition is 5530. Wait a second. 35. Okay, this means that I miss a condition. Yeah. It is definitely missing a condition between 35 and 55. No wonder it doesn't work. 30. Let's say 30 and 35, which means somewhere here. That is, yeah, right here. Fine. Larger than 30, so I need to move it back a little bit. $33 definitely should move. The only problem is I don't see it move. Let me move the camera up so you can see anything. Okay, never mind. This is not working out. And this is 8.4, still enough. But I need to adjust my algorithm. So 30 and 35, and this is 55. I need the whole condition added for 35 and 55. Or more appropriate, 35, 40, 40, 45, 45, 50, etc. Is that wise to do? I don't know. But 35, 55, definitely. It is now at the correct distance for this part of the algorithm, 30, 35, and if I measure this, it is 31 something, 33 something, and I've put second battery on it again, this one, connected, not yet connected fully, and because it doesn't move, I thought it was the wrong speed, but it is 600, so that's more than enough. It should be enough. It has been in the past. So question remains, why is it not moving at all, even with one battery pack? That's still a mystery. So for next time, improving the algorithm by adding the distances, the missing distances, and once again trying to test with the speeds, because this is crazy. Alright, and the latest test that you've seen in massive speed up, 16 times, you could have noticed that I put something under the frame to lift the wheels from the floor, and even then the wheels didn't drive, so I have no clue what's going on. 2 battery packs, wheels off the floor, still no sign of moving, and of course with object under the frame it won't move physically, but at least the wheels would turn or show some running, and even that doesn't happen. So I'm clueless at this moment why there's no movement. Anyway, if you like this video, nonetheless, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can also donate to support via PayPal and Ko-fi, and become a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. This is obviously going to be continued, so for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.